Hey, hi. Good afternoon. Today is a Saturday and it's 8 March 2023. I would like to give presentation on the case study 2. Let me just show you what is actually it's about. Actually, I use a lot of different approach and then I come to final approach which is easy and then easy to understand and simply execution in the AWS environment. So as you can see, this is case study 2. I drew the flow chart to easy understand. So this is the first we are user, and then in AWS cloud I took three main major services. It, Amazon S3, which is a storage service, Amazon Lambda, which is compute service, and Amazon SNS, which is a streaming notification services. So I'll give the small brief about the case study. What we have to do here is when the any user upload the logs file data in S3, then S3 will trigger the Lambda. So our main condition is if log file contains the job failed job failed, that word, then it detect in the Amazon S3 file, and then Lambda is triggered, and then this Lambda, what it did, what is it sent the notification to SNS, and then SNS send the notification to our consumer mobile phone and the email, that personal email, and then how that is how this life cycle is working. Basically, for all the access and permission, you need to IAM policy, which I attached in the AWS Lambda. And for real time, let's see how it's working. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this is our S3 environment. Basically, I created this bucket case study tool, which we are gonna use it. You can see this is a zero object here. That means nothing is here. Let's go to Lambda. This is Lambda, and here I use this trigger Lambda. Basically, name is Lambda, and I give to trigger pathway S3 and SNS, and this is my code. Well, this code is basically it said key first. First when you know when you find the message in the S3 content, if you see this condition basically, then print the job failed in upload file, and then we have to send the message through SNS. This message, you see, job failed notification testing, and then job failed in the main message. See here I use the try and accept method because I don't want to fail the whole code because of the one mistake. So first we'll check SNS, and then it will check the S3. If the S3 file log file contain the job fail message, then it send the message to consumer, right? And this is how this code is working. Well, it takes a lot of time to trial and error how to uh, get the full code. It take a lot of time to got fully working, but finally I got this code after lot of efforts. And yeah, this is Lambda. This is a topic errand which is connected to SNS. So let's see what is SNS. This is simple notification service. And then this is dashboard. You see two services running because the basically we are using is sending SMS. This service we are using, so that AR and I just Talking about this ARN, basically it's connected to Lambda. And then here in subscription, you can see I subscribe two services, which is basically I give my mobile number and my email number. So when the job is triggered, it gives send the message to my mobile phone and my my email. Basically, you can see this is SMS and a email. Okay, and talking about the two log files, how it's looked like. So let's just see. So this is one and two log file. Let's see how it's look like, right? So this is a log file, so much logs, Apache file, Hadoop log. If you see in the last end, it's contain job fail, two words, job fail. So that means if we load these files in S3, it will trigger the Lambda. And let's see file one. Basically, file one is doesn't contain the job fail the message. So that should the Lambda should not trigger, right? Okay, so let's just start the pipeline. Okay, so let's just upload our S3. Let's just this is file 2 which is contains job failed message. Just remember that. Okay, let's just upload, and then yeah, it's success. You can see. Now let's just go to Lambda. The best thing is you can monitor Lambda. You just go to monitor section, and then you can go to Cloud Watch, and then in Cloud Watch section, it gives logs, which this is you can see this is updated log 1216, which is time is 1216. You can see my lower panel, and let's just click on that. Now you can see that this is starting time, this is event. Well, basically it's a our Lambda is triggered, and then it's give basically information, the S3 bucket, which John, and from where, and this object key, and then the file name. You can see that. Now you can see that this file name, right? This is this file name which we uploaded, the file to logs, and then it also contain which is bucket dropped, which is indeed right. The case study 2 which we are using in S3 bucket. And so in this log it's saying job failed in the upload. Well, it detect the message contained in the log file, which is very good. And then it automatically send the notification, and it print the message notification sent, which is very you know which is very quick. So you can see the timing when it's 12:16. This timing 12:16. Let's just see in uh, uh, the email. Did I get the 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 job fail notification? Let's just see. Okay, so yeah, it's actually you can see that. See AWS notification, and then you can see the timing 12:16. You see that this timing. Let's just click on that, and then yeah, it's sorry, it's a second message. We have to click. Yeah, yeah, it says 2 minutes ago. It's a 12:16. So it's very fast, and it's a quick services. You know So basically, why it's showing two messages? Because I tested before, I make presentation, and then yeah, you can see the subject is job failed notification, and then the message, the upload file is this one, and then it's contain job failed message, which is very good. And let's just see in my mobile. Where is my mobile? Just give me a second. It's in far away. So yeah, so let me just check in my mobile. Is it there or not? Yeah. So the message is coming here. Uh, I don't know. You can check it, but I'll attach you know I'll attach the screenshot in the presentation so you can check it. Right now, uh, yeah. So that's it about, like, we got the notification from the job is failed. So yeah, this is how streaming service is working. Basically, when we upload the file, it triggered the Lambda, and Lambda will send the notification SNS through SNS. We can do multiple way, but this is the easiest way. Like, I want to demonstrate. So yeah, thank you so much for listening and hearing. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.